In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Squarespace templates online to earn money, make $3,000 a month with Etsy digital products. If you enjoy web design and want a scalable income stream, selling Squarespace templates is a smart path. A Squarespace template, sometimes called a website kit, is a custom design that buyers can duplicate into their own Squarespace account. It typically includes page layouts like home, about, services, and contact, consistent fonts and colors, image placeholders, and a clear installation guide, so customers can personalize everything quickly. The appeal is real. Demand is high among entrepreneurs, creatives, and small businesses. Your overhead is low because you design once and sell repeatedly. And with a global marketplace, sales can happen around the clock. Start by choosing a niche. Templates crafted for a specific audience tend to outperform generic designs. Think in terms of coaches and course creators, wedding photographers, small service businesses, or bloggers and influencers. The more tailored the structure and visuals, the easier it is for buyers to see themselves using it. Design your template in Squarespace 7.1, create a fresh trial site, pick a modern base like Paloma or Rally, and customize layouts, fonts, and colors. Use placeholders or royalty-free stock photos, and polish the essentials: home, about, services, contact, and blog. Prioritize clean design, mobile responsiveness, and flexible branding so customers can adjust the look without breaking the layout. Package the template as a digital product. Deliver a share link that lets buyers duplicate the site, plus a concise PDF that covers setup steps, image credits, and customization tips. Consider a simple bonus like a checklist or brand board. Canva works well for designing the PDF, and cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox keeps files organized. Create a live demo so buyers can click through the design. Add a prominent View Demo button on your listing to remove guesswork and build trust. Set up an Etsy shop, upload your instruction PDF, showcase the template with clean device-style mockups, and write a keyword-rich title such as Modern Squarespace Template for Coaches, Website Template for Service Providers. Editable Web Design Kit. Pricing commonly ranges from $99 to $219 per template, and a handful of monthly sales can add up quickly. Promote on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube with walkthroughs and your own site for SEO. Target phrases like Squarespace website template and audience-specific variants. Offer responsive support, consider a short installation video, and include a mini FAQ. Great reviews meaningfully improve visibility. As you grow, selling from your own website using Squarespace Commerce, Shopify, or a simple digital shop page helps reduce marketplace fees. With quality listings and consistent marketing, reaching $3,000 per month within a few months is achievable. Bonus tips: reuse proven layouts with new color and font systems, offer an optional installation service, build an email list with a helpful freebie, and keep your aesthetic current. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Always yes.